Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkulisa Soccer. Ngicela ngakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe, making sure ukuthi ipage lifika ku-15,000 subscribers. George Matlo nobhuti lana noma ngithi ubaba uChris Mayepa khopela tshwarelo e fefane ya hawa ke pronounce ipila and nna kuna le bothata ka hore ke khone ho bala khopela tshwarelo. So uthi lana nginike uMatlo ama-flowers wakhe ukuthi udlala kahle kakhulu njengoba ulokhu njana umthetho engekho, uthi ucela nje ngenze ivideo ngim-acknowledge. Ngikhulumile ngoGeorge Matlo bafethu kwigame eChippa United ukuthi benginga-expectanga ukuthi uGeorge Matlo uzodlala kahle kanje. I remember even abanye abantu bethi hayi vele bekudlalwa neChippa, vele bekumele aperforme kahle, but siyabona ukuthi uyakwazi ukuzivala lesa sikhala lesa. Futhi iChiefs since kukhona yena lapha eswini i-attack minded isikhathi esiningi, so abayipresi because of akawaluzi amabhola njengomthetho lapha neswini angithi. So into engingayisho ukuthi umthetho before alimala ngithe akahlale khona amagame kumele ahlale ebhentshini ukuthi iChiefs ikwazi ukcreate ama-opportunities amaningi. So uMatlo ukwazi uzivale kahle kakhulu lesa sikhala lesa, udlala kahle. Yabona makuthiwa umuntu udlala kahle, mina ungiprove wrong because I didn't expect much from uMatlo. Ngasho na last time ngathi after iChippa ngathi udlala ngathi khona into ekumele ayiprove because uyazi ukuthi ibuzz ku-social media abantu bambhekile ukuthi enze iphutha or amaphutha and then bam-attack-e kakhulu, bamtrendise ukuthi ayikho indaba yakhe into ayaziyo ama-video call. I think le nto kaMukoko yokuthi ahambe njengoMukoko nama-video call yinto at the same time obviously ingathandwa ngama-fans oppositions, but-ke yinto bekumele yenzeke ukuthi a-elevate igame yakhe ukuthi njalo uma ethola i-opportunity laphana ku-Chiefs adlale serious, akwazi ukudeliver. Cause ku-Chiefs already siyadlala ama-matches awu-44, unama-assist awu-3. Ngiyazi ukuthi abanye abantu bathi akanawo ama-assist but unama-assist awu-3 laphana ku-Chiefs. Ku-Moroka Swallows kulawa asayina khona after kudlala ama-matches awu-24, udlalile nalaphana bafethu ePortugal, udlale naku-Cape Moya naku-All Stars. So kudala khona lo muntu la idlala, udlale naku-under 20 ku-South Africa. I think into mina bengikhala ngayo kuGeorge Matlo kakhulu element of laziness, bengisho ukuthi uGeorge Matlo ulazy. Yabona makukhulunywa ngomuntu ulazy lo muntu inside the field of play, but-ke kunespark esikuye manje sisibonayo ukuthi uyazama ukufayitha laphana inside the field of play, uyafuna ukuprova o-coach even nabantu ababukela ukuthi unalo i-talent. Just a matter of i-work rate ne-combination abantu abamdlalisa nabo laphana eswini njengoba adlala noLebohang Maboy ba-in-sync, sort of kune-combination, kune-understanding because of uLebohang Maboy siyambona erana yaphansi naphezulu, meya phambili uMatlo uyakwazi ukudropa laphana abe central ukuthi makungenzeka iphutha akwazi ukucisha lowo mlilo fast awine ibhola. Bamrobhe ilokhu njana bafethu i-assist yakhe enhle kakhulu, shaya assist yomhlaba phela uGeorge Matlo simbonile, but-ke bamrobha kwathiwa i-offside lakhanselwa-ke igoli lakhe. Ngabe une-assist enkulu kakhulu, ngabe is trending even more manje because of ushaya i-assist. I think abantu bazomkhuluma kahle, bamprotect from abanye abantu laba bam-attack-ayo ukuthi hey lo muntu lo benibona ngathi ayikho indaba yakhe. I didn't think ikhona indaba yakhe laphana ku-Chiefs, to be honest. I didn't think, like bengicabanga ukuthi kuphelile ngaye, but-ke umuntu akalahlwa bafethu, umuntu uyakwazi ukuvumbuka ekugcineni, ungazi ukuthi ubuyaphi lo muntu lona ama-performances akanje. I think kubalulekile ukuthi ube around abantu abakuphushayo, abafuna ukuthi ube ngcono. And we saw something different laphana uGeorge Matlo online ethi ephusha ubani lo mjida lo, ubani? Yes, uSipho Mbuli athi afisele uSipho Mbuli inhlanhla before i-final. That is unheard of because of sicabanga ukuthi kune-rival obvious bafethu enkulu kakhulu between i-Pirates. Ikhona i-rival but kubonakala ngathi abadlali kunaleyo common understanding nalo budlelwane abanabo thina esingabazi outside the field of play. Yeah, hayi kuzoba nzima kakhulu bafethu, but yeah kuzoba nzima ukuthi ba-compete because they are not taking their chances. But-ke uMatlo ama-passes wakhe ayi-improve, igame yakhe ayi-improve, uyakwazi ukuyisiza i-team. Yeah, I mean masikhumbula bafethu ukuthi uGeorge Matlo, I mean yabona sikhona izinto esingamblame ngazo, sithi okay uke waba lazy inini, but masibheka ama-matches awadlalile lesi season mancane kakhulu uGeorge Matlo. Bethola lapha ama-cameo ama-few minutes kuphela igame seyophela, but-ke manje bamtrustile ngokuthi bamdlalise lapha bamqalisa ama-game. But-ke nangu udlala kahle, i-physique yakhe siyayibona ukuthi u-present, i-presence yakhe iba strong. Kusamele kufanele sebabhilde lo understanding, babhilde lo understanding between ama-players, even nalaphana abaphambili, ukuthi okay bayakwazi uku-anticipate let's say amalokhunjani ama-passes wakhe a-good. So we'll see man, we'll see ukuthi ahambe uGeorge Matlow aphelele kuphi. Asiyeni kuma-stats wakhe bafethu ukuthi udlala ama-match angakanani ku-professional setup yakhe, nanokuthi-ke kusho ukuthi is closing to ama-games almost boma-70, is closing to 70 games masiwabala nje ama-game awadlalile laphana ku-professional setup because of ebholeni lase-South Africa. So far kwelikini udlale ama-matches awu-52, and then kuma-cup games udlale ama-matches awu-22, and then ku-cunning knockout or ku-CAF bamfake only once. So it's at around 73, 74 matches awadlalile ku-professional setup at the age of 27. Sikhumbule ukuthi futhi amanye ama-matches uwadlali laphana ePortugal. Portugal kudlalile nakhona ama-matches ambalwa elikini plus-ke nama-cup games. So I think by next year if uyaqhubeka udlala kahle uzokwazi ukufika kuma-matches awu-100 ku-professional setup yakhe. Sithi aqhubeke njalo uGeorge Matlow amisele laphana umfana. Akumele, ayikho into ekumele ayiprove kwabanye abantu, yena kumele aziprove nje ukuthi angakwazi ukukhompyutha ku-Kaizer Chiefs, angakwazi ukulwa laphana ku-Chiefs, angakwazi ukusiza i-team, because of i-team they need a savior, they need umuntu ozokwazi ukuphakela i-striker kahle ukuthi zidle, umuntu ozokwazi noma kuthiwa iplani alisekho ethimini but yena avumbukele sengamaphasi wakhe akwazi ukuyisiza i-team. Will he be able to continue? O-coaches they say bangatshintshi i-scheme next game. Well, next game next year, late January, so they still have time ukushape nokuchange isquad, nanokuthi babone ukuthi going forward bazodlala ngobani. But umbuzo omkhulu bafethu ukuthi ama-coaches azobe khona na when we come back ngoJanuary? That's a big one, because mesibuya ama-game azobe maningi kakhulu. Kumele ku-CAF ba-decide ukuthi bayahlala noma bayaphuma. Next game yaku-CAF must win against iZesco. Is it back-to-back matches? I think home and away. Kumele bathole 6 points lapho. Bazoyithola? Asazi. And then they will host i-Al-Masry at home. Futhi angazi ukuthi before or after batravelile basazoya e-Egypt bodlala neZamalek. I-team ebadominateile at home in terms of create ama-chances. George Matlow, we see you. Kuthiwe ngikunika ama-flowers wakho. Yiwo-ke lawa. Danko bafethu. Cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Making sure bafethu ukuthi i-page ilifika ku-15,000 subscribers.